Medinipur East West, Shalboni Jhargram. Jhargram is also a very beautiful district. Earlier the people used to go to Jhargram for their recovery of health, because health is our wealth. And if you see, it is beautiful area, and you will be happy to know, even the religious tourism also we are going ahead. Just before few days ago, we inaugurated big sky walk and developed Kali temple. It's a fabulous walk. You must go with family after coming back from China, whenever you will get the opportunity. And 28th of this month, we are going to inaugurate the adjacent district, Digha. It is just like seaside area. We have the International Convention Center there. We have everything there. So, we are inaugurating just like Puri temple. It's a big one, the height is same, but area is vast. That temple also we are going to inaugurate on 38th. 29th there will be a যজ্ঞ হবে, পুজো হবে, ঠাকুরের প্রতিস্থাপনা হবে 30 তারিখ সকালবেলায়, 30 তারিখে দ্বার উদ্ঘাটন হবে এবং ইনাগুরেশন হবে।